Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Improve your English. A very interesting story. The Garden of Forgotten Dreams. There was once a boy named Erin who lived in a small dusty town. The streets were always grey, the houses were plain, and the people moved about as if carrying invisible burdens. In this town, no one dared to dream. They worked, they ate, they slept, and the next day repeated the same pattern. But Erin was different. Since childhood, he had vivid dreams every night, dreams of skies filled with flying shapes of forest that glowed like lanterns, of music that could heal broken hearts. He would tell people about them, but they only shook their heads. Dreams are useless. Erin, they said, they are nothing but shadows. Still, Erin could not let go of the beauty he saw when his eyes were closed. He began catching his dreams in the little notebook, filling page after page with colors that did not exist in his grey town. One evening, while wandering beyond the town's edge, Erin stumbled upon a path he had never noticed before. It was narrow, hidden between two crumbling walls, and at the end of it stood an old iron gate. The gate was covered in vines, and beyond it lay a garden. When he forced the gate open, his breath caught in his chest. Inside was a world unlike anything he had seen. Flowers glowed like tiny lanterns. Trees whispered songs as their branches swayed. A fountain in the center shimmered with water that reflected not just the stars above, but entire galaxies. As Erin stepped in, a gentle voice spoke, "Welcome, dreamer. You have found the garden of forgotten dreams." A figure appeared, an old woman, her hair silver and her eyes bright as crystal. Every dream that is ignored or abandoned comes here. She explained, the flowers are dreams of love that were never confessed. The trees are dreams of journeys never taken. The fountain holds the music of dreams that were silenced. Few ever see this place, but you, Erin, are different. You carry your dreams like treasures. Erin wandered through the garden, recognizing pieces of his own catches in the glowing petals and shimmering skies. He realized that dreams were not useless. They were alive, waiting for someone brave enough to believe in them. The woman placed a seed in his palm. "Take this," she said. "It is a dream that longs to be born in the working world. But know this, if you plant it, you must protect it, for dreams are fragile until they are shared." Aaron carried the seed home. He planted it in the center of his grey town, where nothing beautiful had ever grown. Days passed. The townspeople laughed at him. "Foolish boy," they mocked. "You cannot plant a dream." But Aaron did not give up. He watered it, cared for it, and whispered his vision to try every night. Slowly a sprout emerged, then a stem, then a flower unlike any they had ever seen. It shone with colors that danced in the sunlight. The people stopped to stare. They had never seen beauty so pure. For the first time, their gray eyes softened and something inside them stirred. Soon more flowers blossomed, spreading across the town, painting it in colors long forgotten. Music returned, laughter echoed, and even the most tired hearts began to dream again. Years later, when Erin grew old, the town had transformed into a place of wonder. Travelers came from far away to see the flowers that glowed at night and the fountain that sang in the square. But in the heart of it all stood the first flower, the dream that Erin planted with faith and love. It reminded everyone that a single dream, protected and believed in, could awaken an entire world. And though Aaron's body grew weak, his eyes always sparkled, for he had lived not just to dream, but to make dreams bloom. This story reminds us that dreams are never useless, even the smallest, if nurtured, has the power to change not only your life, but the lives of everyone around you. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.